Welcome to the Catbird Quilts. I'm Kathy Martin, and today is our giveaway day. Get excited! And of course, I have a lot to say about it. You know, I can't start a giveaway winner announcement video without first taking a moment to thank you all for your support of this channel and of me as a content creator and quilter and thrifter and pharmacist and working person. All of those things. You have been so incredibly generous and giving, and all of the views and likes and comments and subscriptions, prescriptions are so meaningful to me. Truly, I don't think I can really say it in words in a way that would really have the understanding for you of the meaning that is for me. But we have arrived here at the actual giveaway winner announcement. And so I'm going to start with our international. So we did 4 prizes, and we did 3 in the United States and 1 international winner. And so I'm going to start with the international winner, which is Kim Betts from Melbourne, Australia. And she has just been such a wonderful supporter of the channel. She always has great things to say in her comments. And her fabric bundle that she has won is the Happy Summer bundle, and it has some reds, some orange, a lot of gingham. Hope she likes gingham. A lot of gingham. And I'm going to send her a little baby seam reaper, which I think they call an unpicker, which I like too. So you UK viewers, I said that's so Southern. UK, I can't do it, not Southern. UK viewers and Australian viewers, we're still going to call this a seam reaper, but I love secretly the name Unpicker. And I don't know if you saw the video where I made fabric covered button magnets, but she's going to get a little fabric covered button magnet. Good Lord, that's a mouthful, for her fridge or for her sewing machine. And so that's coming to her, Kim Betts in Melbourne, Australia. Next is JENEDEL WILCOX, or Jen WILCOX in Michigan. And she has won the Coastal Fabric Bundle. I'm going to hold that up. And it has, oh gosh, I love all these. It's a good thing I love them because I put them together. It would be terrible if I put a crappy bundle together. But it's got turquoise linen and some seafoam gingham, and actually 2 linens, some orange linen, and it's just got that kind of coastal feel to it. Everybody gets a magnet, by the way. Hers is in that kind of family. And a seam reaper for her. Actually, everybody gets a magnet and a seam reaper. So maybe I won't say that every time. Our next winner is RENEA MAYFIELD of Georgia. And she has won the Twilight Bundle, which is, there's a lot of gingham here. I said this on the actual first giveaway video, but I have to keep saying it. And it's just a combination of blues and purples and kind of a pink gingham. RENEA is an avid thrift store shirt shopper and has made a lot of comments about her growing shirt stash. And so that is fantastic. So she may just get to add this into the multitudes of shirts, but so happy to have her in the list of winners. And then last but not least is Laura SUTTERER. who is from here in Alabama, happens to be in the town of my college alma mater. And she has won the pastel bundle. And so it's just a mixture of pastel fabrics that are all prints, very subtle prints. She has been with us on the channel for a few months, hadn't commented before the giveaway. So I was excited to find that there are folks from my wonderful alma mater town. And so she will also get an unpicker / seam reaper and a magnet for her fridge or sewing machine or oven or wherever she wants to use it. So ladies, you guys are the best. Thank you for reaching out and commenting and for your support of the channel. I hope you love your gift, and I hope you're able to use it in a way that pleases you and reminds you of our connection here on the YouTube channel. And it doesn't have to be in a quilt, by the way. Just use it the way you want to. Just enjoy it. That's what I should have said from the beginning. Just enjoy it. So that's that. Yay. Before I move on from talking about the giveaway, I do want to say a quick, apology. I'm so sorry for those of you who were approached by the scammers. Maybe there may have even been more than one on the channel. Unfortunately, that's a new reality for those of us that have YouTube channels and put out content for you all. They kind of spoil everyone's fun. Just as a reminder, if you have someone approach you and they do not have my exact username for the channel or my exact Instagram name or Facebook page name, then that is not me. So be very, very careful when you're approached by anyone online, and that's every social media. You have to be so wily these days. So it will have my exact username. If I ask you to contact me, it will be through the email address listed on my about. So if you are approached by someone that you think might be a scammer, you can report and block them, and please do, because it helps us keep people like that out of the wonderful community that we have created. And if someone does approach you, you can verify who they are. If you are a pretty regular viewer of these videos, you can ask them a personal question that if it was me, I should know without hesitation. But if it's a scammer, they won't know. And that's a great way to verify that it is me. So please be careful, be safe online, and just know that I will not ask you specifically for money if it's a giveaway. So if I'm giving something away, I'm not going to make you responsible for any financial part of it. All right. Okay. So next thing I want to, I just do every segment with, let me thank you. Some of you have sent me fabric and just fun things that you think I might like. And I love that so much. Such a generous and giving community. I do want to say very clearly, I have never expected to receive anything from anybody. I don't expect that now, and I have no expectation for that for any of you for the future. Do not ever feel like you need to or are obligated to send me anything. It is a delight, but it is not at all an expectation of mine. So just know that it's so fun, and I love that you want to share with me. But I don't want anyone to feel like I'm hawking for your things. And in that vein, I do want to say I have done some shout outs on previous videos for people who have sent me things, and I love a good show and tell. But I've decided that it's best if we keep the videos focused on the content of that video, and I want the videos to be devoted to you all. And so the thank yous that I will send to people are of a personal nature, and I won't be doing that on the channel. But know that I do value those kindnesses so much. And it is just such an example of the generosity of my YouTube community. And that means so much to me and is such an encouragement to me. I have to say, I truly never thought that I would have 10,000 subscribers. I don't know. It just never occurred to me that the channel would grow to that number, that I would have this much engagement with you all, and so many of your personal stories in the comments. And I love it so very much. And I have enjoyed, maybe more than anything, the connections that we've had in the comments. And just some of you have found me on Instagram and messaged me there. Some of you have found me on Facebook and messaged me there. It is such an enriching and encouraging thing to have those connections with you all. It is a little overwhelming, I have found. And this giveaway video has really been the one to show me, because there were so many comments, and what a gift. But I haven't even gotten to respond to all of them. So if you're one of the 120 people that I still haven't responded to, I promise it's not because I don't want to. I love responding to you. I love those conversations that we have, but it is a lot. And I sometimes can feel stressed and anxious because I don't want to disappoint you all. We are, we being not me and the mouse in my pocket, me and my editor and executive producer, who is my husband, Paul, have really been talking about, and I guess exploring ways that we can continue that engagement with those of you who really enjoy that friendship and quilting connection and thrifting connection. So I don't know what that means for the future, but if I happen to not get to your comment, please know it's not because I'm ignoring you in any way. It's just gotten to be a lot. I do read every comment and often cry. I laugh a lot, which I laugh a lot anyway, but I laugh a lot at your funny things that you say. I also cry sometimes, because you guys are telling me personal stories of lost loved ones, and the shirts that you have and the memory quilts that you're making. And some of you have found me that way, and I'm so grateful. Gosh, sorry, I do this all the time. It means so much to me, and I want that to continue. And as you know, I have a full-time job as a pharmacist, and I'm a wife and a mother and a quilter. And so finding the time to do all of those things, plus generate ideas and make the videos, and then just even quilting as a hobby has become challenging. So just know, if I don't respond to your comment, it's not because I don't want to. I just sometimes get real stretched for time. And we are really trying to figure out a way that we can keep that level of engagement and it not be quite as taxing. So love to you all. I don't know how to say enough that your just everything, your attention, your listening, your watching, your comments are so meaningful to me. And you guys are what make this channel so great. I know you think it's the videos, but it's not. It's all of us together. It's all of us together. And as you know, I want everyone to have my thrift store experience. And I want everyone to have my quilting with thrift store shirts experience. I want you to have what I have. And so I have to say before we go today that I really wish truly that I could send every one of you a linen shirt, a pastel gingham shirt, an Oxford cloth shirt, a paisley or floral shirt from my thrift store. And in fact, I actually threw out that idea to Paul. Like, what if we just sent everybody a shirt? And kind of like Oprah, you get a shirt, you get a shirt, you get a shirt. And I have to tell you, I really want to do that. But with the number of people that we have watching and subscribing, Paul said, you realize that's not practical at all. And I'm like, I know, but babe, it would be so great. So that's where my heart is for you guys. I wish I could send every one of you a seafoam green gingham shirt or a turquoise linen shirt or a pale blue paisley shirt. And if I could, I promise you I would. So I hope you feel the love, even if you were not a winner today. And I want to thank you for your continued support. I'm beating a drum with the thank you now. It's starting to get obnoxious, but I really do appreciate it so much. So with that, I'll sign off. I'm Kathy Martin. This is the Catbird Quilts. Thanks so much for watching.